Do it again. I'm about to be kicked out.
Nope.
Oh, fighting. Oh, mine ran out.
I only got 28 seconds left because I don't have my memory card in.